Oh, sorry. Okay, Tom, how are you? How are you, my dear Tommy? How are you? You're
I'm good.
fine? I'm good, teacher. Oh, that's great to hear. Okay, that's great to hear. So, okay. Oh. Okay, for a while, Tom. Tom, for a while. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh my God. Okay, so where I am, are still Tom? Okay, I'm here. So now, Tom. Oh, wait. Tom. It's windy here. It's windy here. Okay. So I have here, Tom. I will give you. Okay, the lessons that we have. Okay, I will check first. Okay, so I will give the result of your exam tonight, Tom. I will just send it in Zalo, okay?
Zalo?
Yeah, in Zalo, I will send the exam, your test result. Oh my God! Are you excited? Okay, Tom. Here in Unit 11, it's What's the Matter with You? Okay. Again, what's the matter with you? Okay. So we have here. Okay.
Pain.
So we have here new words, Tom. Can you see this one? New words. Pain.
High.
Good. High. Temperature.
Ear.
Ear. Throat.
Throat.
Okay. First is pain. You know the word pain? It's dao. Pain, dao. Oh, yeah. You understand that? Pain, dao. Tooth. You know what is tooth?
Yeah.
It's rang. Is that wrong? It's in Vietnamese, it's rang?
Yeah.
Oh, it's rang? Really?
Răng.
Rang, like that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Next is high. You know the word very high. Next is temperature. Temperature. You know temperature? The temperature of Tommy is very high. It's 39.5. Tom has a fever because he is very hot. Okay. How about ear? The ear.
Yeah.
Yeah, ear. Throat. This one. Oh, you have a cough. Oh, that's a throat. Okay. Do you understand these words now?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Fever.
Okay. Fever.
Toothache.
Toothache.
Earache.
Earache.
Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache. Okay.
Health.
First, fever. You know what is fever, Tom?
Oh, I know.
You understand?
Yeah.
Toothache.
I saw twice.
Sore throat. You have sore throat?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Stomach ache. Have you experienced stomach ache?
No.
Okay. Next. Health.
Health.
You know the word health?
Oh, yeah.
Health, your health. Soko. That's soko. What's that? Health. Soko?
Health.
Soko? Soko. That's it?
Problem.
Problem. What's problem? You know what is problem? It's Vande. Problem. You have problem? You understand this word? Vande. You understand this word?
Yeah.
Feel well.
Feel well. Are you feeling well, Tom? Of course, teacher. I feel well. Okay. Next. Okay. You have here, Tom. Look at this one. Look, listen, and repeat. Okay.
Tony, get up. Breakfast's ready.
Sorry. I can't have breakfast, Mum.
Okay. Tony, wake up. Tony, get up. Breakfast is ready. Tony.
Sorry, I can't have breakfast, Mom.
Why not?
I don't feel well.
What's the matter with
I
you?
have a headache.
Why not? What's the matter with you?
I don't feel well. I have lunch.
Oh. You
Yes,
have a
Mum.
fever too.
I feel very hot.
Oh, you have a fever too.
Oh. Yes, Mom. I feel very hot.
What's the matter with Tony?
What's the matter with Tony?
He has a fever. I'll take him to the doctor after breakfast.
Okay. What's the matter with Tony?
He has a fever. I will take him to the doctor after breakfast.
Okay. He has a fever. I'll take him to the doctor after breakfast. Look at this one. This is the grammar. Okay, I will ask you, what's the matter with you, Tom?
I have
What's the matter with you, Tom? I have. What's the matter with you, Tom? I have. How will you answer that? Go, Tom. You can do it.
I have food.
What's the matter with you, Tom?
I have food.
I have colds. Okay. Okay, I have colds. Very good. Okay, so like this one. What's the matter with you? Point and say. What's the matter with you? I have. What's this in the picture? I have. Okay, what's in the picture?
What's the matter with you?
I have a toothache. Again. What's the matter with you? What's this?
I have an ulcer.
An earache. Earache. Again.
Earache.
Okay. What's the matter with you? I have
a sore throat.
Very good. What's the matter with you? I have
stomach ache.
Stomach ache. Ache. It's not H. It's ache. Again. I have. What's the matter with you, Tom?
I have a stomach ache.
Okay, I have a stomach ache. Okay. Now, lesson this one, Tom, and please tell me the answer after. Do you have paper? Do you have paper?
Oh.
Okay, you have paper? Okay, you get paper.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you answer and then tell me after. Okay, I will play. You listen.
Okay.
Okay, now listen.
What's the matter with you, Nam?
I have a bad toothache.
Oh, poor you.
2.
Where's Peter, Linda?
He can't come to school today. He's seeing the doctor.
What's the matter with him?
He has a stomach ache.
3.
I can't see Linda. Where is she?
She's at home today.
What's the matter with her?
She has a bad headache.
Oh, really? Let's go and see her after school.
4.
Hello?
Hi, Mai. It's Tony.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
It's Tony. It's Tony.
Oh, Tony. What's the matter with your voice?
I have a bad sore throat. Sorry, I can't meet you today.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what happened to Nam?
It's sore throat.
Nam has a?
Nam had a Tooth
Tooth,
touch.
toothache. Toothache. Again. Toothache.
Toothache.
1.
Toothache.
What's the matter with you now?
Okay, next. What's the matter with Peter?
Peter.
Yeah, Peter. What's the matter with Peter?
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache. It's not age. Ache. Stomach ache. Again. Ache. Yeah, stomach ache. Next.
Stomach ache.
Very good. What's the matter with Linda?
Linda is headache.
Linda has a headache. Very good. And what about Tony? My God.
So,
Tony has sore throat. Okay, sore throat. How about you, Tom? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? You. What's the matter with you?
Sore throat.
You have a sore throat also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now, Tom, very good. You have to answer this one, read and complete, okay? Please answer in your paper and tell me after.
Okay. It's grammar. No.
She has a pain in her tooth. She has a, write there the answer. You write in the paper.
Toothache.
Okay, write in the paper and tell me the correct spelling after. Spell toothache.
Toothache.
Spell. Do you know how to spell toothache? Toothache. Spelling. What's the spelling of toothache?
Pain in her tooth.
Yeah, pain in her tooth. What is the correct spelling of toothache? Toothache. It's toothache. Okay, toothache. Number 2, what's your answer there? Can you answer, please?
I don't know.
Okay. She has a high temperature. Very hot. Very hot. What is that? Very hot, Tom. Very hot. What is that?
Very hot.
What's very hot? What's that? He has a, if you are very hot, what will happen?
Nam hot hơn temperature. I don't know.
Okay. Very hot, it is fever. Fever. If you are hot, you have fever. Fever. This is the spelling of the fever. That's this one, teacher. This one. That one. Okay. Next, what's the answer? Number 3, what do you think is your answer?
It's stomach ache.
Okay. It is?
Stomach.
Okay, Kwan has
Stomachache.
a pain in his stomach. He has a
Stomachache.
stomach ache. Very good. Number 4, Linda has a pain in her throat. She has a
Good throat.
She has a sore throat. Very good. Okay, let's check your answer. Earache. Oh, toothache. Fever. Oh, there's a choice says stomach ache and sore throat. Very good. Do you understand, Tom? Okay, if you have a pain in your tooth, what is that? Tooth?
Toothache.
Okay. If you have high temperature, you're very hot, you have a
Fever.
fever. If you have a pain in your stomach,
Stomachache.
stomach ache. Okay. If you have a pain in your throat,
Root.
that is?
Doctor throat.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. That's the answer. Okay, next one here. Now, let us have the role play. Okay, this is very fast actually. Okay, let us hear. Okay, it's not here. Where is the role play? The role play is okay here.
Hi, Mr. Smith.
What's wrong?
I have a toothache.
Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Oh.
You have a bad tooth. Good. Don't eat too many sweets and brush your teeth 3 times a day.
Yes, Mr. Smith. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome. See you in 2 days.
Okay.
Okay, that's the role play about having a
Let's
toothache.
role play.
Okay, can we role play? It's fast. Okay, go. Hi, Mr. Smith. What's wrong? I have a toothache. Open your mouth and say, ah. Ah. You have a bad tooth. Ah. Good. Don't eat many sweets and brush your teeth 3 times a day. Yes, Mr. Smith. Thank you. You're welcome. See you on 2 days. Okay. Teacher is trying to role play all by myself, Tom. Okay. What?
Role play.
Okay. You want to hear it again? Okay. So we have here is the role play time. Okay. Now.
Shouldn't. Here.
Okay. For lesson 2, we have here the word should, shouldn't.
Backache.
Backache.
Carry.
Here. Carry.
Cough.
Cough. Okay. Can you should, shouldn't. Do you understand this? You should not go to the house. You should stay in the house. You should not go outside. Here. You know the word here?
Yeah.
Backache. You know the word backache?
Backache.
Yeah. Carry.
Carry.
Carry. Cough.
Carry.
Cough. Yeah.
Take a rest.
I cough.
I cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. Again, Tom.
I have a cough.
Okay. Take a rest. Take a rest.
Take a rest.
You have to take a rest. Okay, you know the word take a rest? You know take a rest?
Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. Take a rest, Tom. You have to take a rest. Okay.
No, teacher.
Where's Nam? I can't see him here.
He's sitting over there, in the corner of the gym.
Okay. Look, listen, and repeat, Tom. Where's Nam? Where's Nam, Tom? I can't see him here.
He is sitting over there in the corner of the gym.
Okay.
Hi, Nam. Why aren't you practicing karate?
I don't feel well. I have a backache.
Okay. Hi, Nam. Why aren't you practicing karate?
I don't feel well. I have a backache.
Okay. Look at this one. It's so funny. Hi, Nam. Why aren't you practicing karate? But who answered? It's not Nam. It's Kwan. I don't feel well. I have a backache. Nam has a backache.
So, you should go to the doctor now, Nam.
Okay, I will. Thanks, Mai.
You should go to the doctor now, Nam.
Okay, I will. Thanks, Mai.
You should take a
Thank
rest
you, doctor.
and shouldn't play sports for a few days.
You should take a rest, Tom, and you shouldn't play sports for a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Okay, you have here, you shouldn't. You should. You should. It means you have to do. Okay, I mean, when I say, Tom, you should study your homework. Tom, you should eat. Tom, you should drink milk. That's should. Okay? Do you understand, Tom?
Yeah.
When teachers say, Tom, you should study well. Tom, you should study your homework. Tom, you should eat your breakfast. Okay. Or you will say, okay, look at the answer. Yes, I will. Okay, that's positive. Yes, I will. But when teachers say, Tom, you should not eat sweet. Tom, you should not eat a lot. What will you say?
Okay.
Okay. I won't. Okay.
Negative.
Yeah, that's negative. You shouldn't. Okay, what will you say? Tom, you shouldn't eat chocolate. What will you say?
Okay, I won't. Thanks.
Oh, very good. So you use the word shouldn't and you will have here want. This is the negative, okay? Okay, look at this one. Tom, point and say. Okay. Yes, I will. Thanks. Okay, I won't. Thanks. Okay. Okay, here. So,
you should go to the doctor.
Yes, I will. Thanks.
You shouldn't carry heavy things.
Okay, I won't. Thanks.
Okay, for example here. You should go to the doctor. You should go to the doctor. Yes, I will. Thanks. But look up here. Look at the pictures. You shouldn't carry heavy things. You should not. You shouldn't carry heavy things. What will be the answer, Tom?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what will be the answer? Okay.
Okay.
I want. I want. Okay, next.
1.
Now, look up here, Tom. Do you have paper with you?
Yeah.
Okay. In the paper here, you will have the health problem, should and shouldn't. Okay? Listen. Look up here, the health problem, and these are the names. Listen, you write your answer.
1.
I don't feel very well.
What's the matter with you?
I have a stomachache.
Sorry to hear that. You should go to the doctor now, Gwen.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
2.
You don't look very well. What's the matter with you?
I have a fever.
Let me see. Oh, you're very hot. You shouldn't go to school today.
3.
Let's have ice cream.
Great idea.
Sorry, I can't.
What's the matter with you, Fong?
I have a bad toothache.
Oh, then you shouldn't eat ice cream. How about milk?
Good idea. Thanks, Mai.
4.
Hi, Mrs. Green. What's the matter with you? Oh, I have a backache. Sorry to hear that. Oh, you shouldn't carry heavy things. Let me help you. Thanks, Nam. That's very kind of you.
Okay, I will repeat one more. Repeat.
Yeah.
1.
I don't feel very well.
What's the matter with you?
I have a stomachache.
Sorry to hear that. You should go to the doctor now, Gwen.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
2.
You don't look very well. What's the matter with you?
I have a fever.
Let me see. Oh, you're very hot. You shouldn't go to school today.
3.
Let's have ice cream.
Great idea.
Sorry, I can't.
What's the matter with you, Fong?
I have a bad toothache.
Oh, then you shouldn't eat ice cream. How about milk?
Good idea. Thanks, Mai.
4.
Hi, Mrs. Green. What's the matter with you? Oh, I have a backache. Sorry to hear that. Oh, you shouldn't carry heavy things. Let me help you. Thanks, Nam. That's very kind of you.
Okay. So what's the answer for Kwan? Stomach ache, should or shouldn't? Yeah, what's the answer for
Yeah. What?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Kwan? This one, Kwan? What's the answer? Stomach ache? Should or shouldn't?
Good.
Should.
1.
I don't...
Go to the doctor. You should go to the doctor. Next. What's next? How about Tony? Fever.
Is shouldn't.
Shouldn't. Okay. You should not go to school. You shouldn't go to school. How about Pong?
Pong is should.
Eat ice cream. You should not eat ice cream. You should not eat ice cream. Mrs. Green.
Is should.
Mrs.
Should.
Green is?
Should.
Yeah, you shouldn't carry heavy things. Because you have a backache, you should not carry heavy things. Okay? Next activity. Now here. Read and complete. We have here. Okay. Pick the answers from here. So you have here the answers. Kindly pick matter, has, or doctor. Matter, has, or doctor. What do you think is the correct answer? Where's number one there? Answer for number one. Number one.
Ra là chỗ đi. Number one. Mà lấy chỗ đi. Đi đâu nào. Okay.
Okay. So, where's Pong? Where's Pong?
I can
get
today.
Okay, he can go to school today. Why not? What is that? What's your answer?
Doctor.
No, what is the doctor with him? Are you sure? What is the doctor with him? Are you sure? What's the answer for number one?
Master.
What is the matter? Very good. What is the matter with him? He blanked this morning. No, he blanked a bad cough and is going to see the blank this morning. What's the answer for number 2 and 3?
Has and doctor.
Has and doctor. Very good. Oh, do you understand this?
Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. It's very easy, teacher. Number 4 and 5, you have to answer.
Master. I have a pain in my stomach.
Okay. I have a pain in my stomach. Oh dear, you should take a
stomach.
You should take a
rest.
Rest. Very good. Number 4 is stomach. Number 5 is rest. Okay. Do you know the word rest?
Yeah.
What do you mean by the word rest? What do you mean by the word rest? Yeah, what do you mean by the word rest? Rest means you will just stay in the bed, sleep, relax, because you have fever, you are sick, so you will take a rest. Do not go outside. You'll just rest. Okay, do not go outside because it's raining, so you will have to take a rest. Just relax, okay? Do you understand? Just relax, of course. So we have here stressing in WH, question and statement. Okay. We have here WH. Look up here, Tom. The word WH. Okay. WH, this is what? What do you do? H is
what?
How. How old are you, Tom? I am a student. That's the answer. Okay. Again, I will ask you, what do you do, Tom?
What do you do?
Yeah. What do you do, Tom? I will ask you, what do you do, Tom? You? What did you do today? I play with my friends.
I do homework.
Wow, really? You do homework?
Yeah.
Okay, I do homework. What else?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm I'm 10 years old.
When was your birthday? When was your birthday?
Two, 4.
April? Your birthday is April?
Yeah.
Wow. 1st of April?
April 2.
April 2, 2010?
June.
2010? 2009?
Yeah.
Okay. So Tom, these are the WH question. This is what, who, why, where. They are considered as WH question. Look at this one. They are considered as WH question. Like what, like how. Okay, that's WH question. Okay, Tom. So do you understand this, Tom? Do you have question with the lesson today?
Yeah.
Oh, what is your question for today? Do you have question? What is your question? Did you understand today? You like the lesson today? You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, very good. You like the lesson? Here, the topic, the lesson discussed with teacher. You like it? Do you understand? You understand? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So you like teacher Ann to be your teacher? You like me as your teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So if you don't have question, Tom, so I guess we will say goodbye with each other. Okay. So Tom, teacher Ann will not be around on tomorrow. I sent it in Zalo already. Tomorrow, what's that?
Zalo?
No. In Zalo, I send message. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Wait for a while. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, wait, you don't have class with me. Okay. So, teacher Ann cannot learn with you on Thursday. I will not be around on Thursday. Okay? Again, teacher Ann will not be around on Thursday. I will not be around. I cannot teach you. I cannot learn with you. Okay? Okay, that's the reason why we have to learn now, because no Thursday. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, teacher. So you understand now? No question? Yeah. It's okay?
No question?
No question? Okay. Bye-bye, Tom. Thank you for doing great. And tomorrow morning, I will send you the result of your test. Okay? Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher Ann.
Goodbye. Oh, is that your sister at the back of you?
Oh.
This one.
Maybe sister.
Hi.
But I see you tomorrow.
Okay. Who is that at the back of you? The girl.
The girl.
Oh, no, the girl. Look at the girl.
The girl, not is a boy.
At the back of you. Look at, turn around. Look at that one. At the back of you, the girl. At the back of you.
Baby girl?
Oh, yeah, the baby girl. Look at.
Baby sister.
Ah, that's your baby sister? Hi. Oh, hi. What's your name? What's your name, Tom?
Name is Van.
How old she is? Hi. Hi. How old she is? She is?
It's Van.
Hi. She's 5.
It's 8 years old.
8.
8 years old.
Yeah. Hi. What's your name? You wave your hands to teacher. Hi. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty like you. You're handsome, Tom. Okay. Okay, Tom. For now, teacher will say bye-bye, Tommy.
Bye, teacher.
Oh, she's winking at me.